Smartsheet has carved out a significant niche in the project management and work collaboration space, offering a unique blend of spreadsheet-like familiarity with powerful project management features. It's a highly flexible tool, capable of handling everything from simple task lists to complex portfolio management. For individuals, teams, or organizations looking to leverage its capabilities, a fundamental question quickly arises. How do I pay for Smartsheet? As a project management expert, I understand that pricing and licensing models can sometimes be as complex as the projects themselves. The good news is that Smartsheet's payment structure is relatively straightforward, primarily based on different subscription plans tailored to various user needs and organizational sizes. There are no hidden fees for basic functionality, and the transparency helps in budgeting and planning. Understanding Smartsheet's core licensing model. Smartsheet operates primarily on a subscription-based model, meaning you pay a recurring fee, typically monthly or annually, to access the software and its features. The cost largely depends on two key factors: the edition plan you choose. Smartsheet offers different plans, each designed for specific user types and organizational requirements, with varying feature sets and administrative controls. The number of licensed users, sheet creators/editors. Smartsheet charges per user who needs to create or edit sheets. It's important to clarify the concept of a licensed user versus a collaborator. In Smartsheet, a licensed user, often called a sheet creator or editor, is someone who can create new sheets, own them, and typically has full editing capabilities. Collaborators or viewers are people who can view sheets shared with them, add comments, or update specific cells via forms, but they don't consume a paid license. This distinction is crucial for cost management, as you only pay for those who actively build and manage the content. Let's delve into the typical payment options and plans you'll encounter. Smartsheet subscription plans. Smartsheet generally offers a few main tiers, each progressively unlocking more advanced features and higher limits. While specific names and exact features might evolve, the core structure remains consistent. Free plan, trial, or limited use. Purpose. While Smartsheet used to offer a limited free plan, its current model primarily focuses on free trials of its paid plans. This allows potential users to explore the full capabilities of a specific plan, e.g., business or enterprise, for a limited time, e.g., 30 days, before committing to a subscription. Payment implication. No direct payment is required during the trial period. It's a risk-free way to test the waters. Good for individuals or small teams who want to thoroughly evaluate Smartsheet's suitability for their projects before investing. Pro plan, formerly individual/basic business. Purpose. This plan is designed for individuals or small teams who need robust project management and collaboration features without the complexities of enterprise-level administration. Key features typically include unlimited sheets, reports, and dashboards, basic automation, forms, Gantt charts, basic resource management, mobile app access. Payment structure. Paid per licensed user, sheet creator/editor, usually on an annual or monthly basis. Annual payments often come with a discount. Good for freelancers, small project teams, consultants, or departments within larger organizations that manage their own projects independently. It provides a significant step up from a basic spreadsheet without overwhelming features or cost. Business plan. Purpose. This is a popular choice for growing teams and departments that require more advanced features, better collaboration, and enhanced administrative control. Key features typically add on to Pro unlimited licensed users, brandable dashboards, advanced reporting, more robust automation capabilities, integration with popular business applications, e.g., Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Salesforce, Tableau, certain administrative controls like user management and security. Payment structure, still per licensed user, but often requires a minimum number of users, e.g., 3 or more. Pricing is generally structured to be more cost-effective per user for larger teams compared to the Pro plan. Good for mid-sized teams, multiple departments, or companies with complex projects requiring more integrated workflows and centralized management. Enterprise plan. Purpose. tailored for large organizations that need maximum security, scalability, advanced administration, and premium support. Key features typically add on to business enterprise-grade security and compliance, e.g., HIPAA, GDPR readiness, single sign-on, SSO, advanced user provisioning, professional services and dedicated support, customized onboarding, advanced resource management, integration with enterprise systems, potentially unlimited licensed users with enterprise agreements, payment structure, custom pricing based on the organization's specific needs, number of users, and negotiated terms, often involves a direct sales engagement rather than self-service purchase. Good for large corporations, government agencies, or organizations with stringent security, compliance, and integration requirements across many projects and departments. How to actually pay. The process of paying for Smartsheet is straightforward. Online purchase. For Pro and Business plans, you can typically purchase directly from the Smartsheet website. This involves selecting your desired plan, choosing the number of licensed users, and opting for monthly or annual billing. You'll then provide credit card details or other accepted online payment methods. Sales team engagement. For the enterprise plan, and often for larger deployments of the business plan, you'll engage directly with Smartsheet's sales team. They will assess your specific needs, discuss pricing, and provide a custom quote. Payment terms for enterprise agreements can vary and might include invoicing. Annual versus monthly. While monthly payment options exist, choosing annual billing almost always results in a lower per month cost. Smartsheet, like many SaaS providers, incentivizes longer commitments.